There you go. So this is 5 waves correction. This could be a 5 wave or it could be an ABC. It could do it could do the following as an ABC and move back up, or it could be 5 wave and drop and drop. Retest for the bottom till 3.5, 360. Again, we'll see how it will play out. But at the time being, if it corrects on the 4 hour or the 2 hour, you can take a short if you trade that. The XY, that's fake, as we said. It's not there. The price is up here. So what we have on higher on the 4 hour time frame, what are we expecting this week? I'm expecting a correction and then push up to complete the C, or because that's what we have our own hand. We have ABC, and then 5 waves. So what I expect, ABC and either 5 waves or a C. You just need to measure, see where it's gonna stop. If it does the following, that means this count is a W, X, and a Y. And if it does the following, that means that's an A, that's an A, that's a B, and that's a C. And then a drop. Either or, I think they will clear the top here. And they might extend it up here to 5 waves if it's a C, and then drop. Just put measures, reminders here. If this price breaks here on any correction, sell 1095. I doubt it will do that now, but if it does that, sell it. Keep in mind here we react, right? So we do our analysis, we do our prediction, probabilities, and we see which one pans out. So if it breaks here and closes on any correction, you can take a short. We move on to EU. Same thing as the opposite. You can do the following, convert, it's the same thing. Correction, and down. Just revert it so that will not get mixed up. Correction and down to complete the follow, and then take up. If you're long term, wait for this to end and take a buy. If this price breaks up here on any correction, take your buy. I doubt it will, but keep that in mind. But definitely there's one more down. for GU. GU, as expected, if you see last week's Webby or the YouTube, I'm expecting a correction, a 5-wave down, but it did, and then up, but it did instead, it did a 3-wave, and it's heading up. So what I'm expecting, something like this, and then one more down, and then up from here. So you can either trade this one, or you wait for it, take your long. It depends what's your tolerance, what's your risk appetite, where you're gonna put your stop loss or your risk management. Either you wait for it to come down here, take buy, or go lower time frame, identify the end of this correction as long as we don't break the top here, and take a short till down here. It depends when, the time, midweek, all factors play. For this one, as you can see it, same thing like EU and the XY. I'm expecting correction and up. Complete this one. Keep in mind, this correction can play any shape. This correction can do the following. Up, up. This correction can do the following. And back up. Just gotta identify, see the factors, see if this leg is worth trading, or you wanna wait for the end of this. But do not just wait, come up here and short, or have a system. Double tops or stuff like that. These are retail traders. That's how they get trapped. Have a system. UCAD, it's in the middle. I have a couple of counts for it. That's why I placed this one. This, if it's the price where it is now as it is now, it's supposed to move up to complete the following. This leg and this leg. If it continues down, that means that's the shape that we're gonna look for. If it continues down from here. So by Monday, Tuesday, you should see some moves that will clear stuff out here. Whoever is trading it. But where it is, I will never enter. I'll wait for proper direction and let it show. AU, a lot of traders are shortening, which it will not drop. It will go up till up here. Maybe by this week we'll have something like this. Comes up here, strong move down, and strong move up. And then Friday or next week, we'll have to drop. But do not short here. Why? When I reach to the indices, I will tell you why. NU, same thing. I still see up. How it's gonna play out, it all depends if it's worth trading it or no. I barely trade the NU. I just put it there for clarity more. I like to analyze it and to compare, especially for AU. So when it hits up here, do not short, guys. They're gonna take this one up out. This can do the following and then drop. Just don't short. If it does the following, go long. Till up here. For yen pairs, it's complicated to explain this one, but there's one more down, then a strong move up, same like this one, and then down. And it can do the following right here, correct? Do the strong move and then down to complete this and this. EJ, do not short now. Wait for this correction to happen. Same like here. Same here. They'll try to collect as much orders as they can. And then drop to this zone. So expect a correction for this wave. This correction can be like this, or like this. Depends which one plays out. You can trade any leg you want. Same thing. Same concept. And then drop. And then back up. They follow each other. Some you'll see them in a correction, while others are trending. It depends on the strength of the currency. But for the yen pairs, for this week, same for the indices, I see it, and AU, I see yen pairs are gonna be the yen is gonna be weak, which this could form a strong move a bit up, then a drop. Next week or end of this week, we're gonna see a drop until they finish this leg. GA, we're heading down here. I know some are posting something, we're on support, or on what, long-term support, I don't know, something like that. I don't trade that. All I see is this is heading down here. How they're gonna head down here? They need to collect orders, right? So they're gonna convince that this is over. So maybe we're gonna see a nice bounce. When this bounce is over, make sure you're on the short. It's heading down here. And it's very possible for this to just do the following and continue dropping without giving any kind of there's an opportunity for them to make money here, right? A lot of people are gonna go long, so they might come like this, come back up, strong move, and then reverse, collect the stop losses and continue going down. There's always a way for you to be able to trade. Same thing, same concept. What are most retail traders are saying? A B, and a C. Double bottom and move up. It's gonna give them that push and then drop, continue going down. Still in the same location. We did not move, we didn't do nothing from last week. So I'm not gonna give any bias or any direction for this one until it completes the follow. When it gives better direction, I can put my opinion on it. XAG, if you are in the gold membership, as expected, to go long till the top here, and that's where we're heading. To complete this one, we might have a drop. This drop can stop around here and continue moving up, or it can drop all the way down. But I expect the following from what I see, and then move up. XAU, I don't know if you see it or not. That's one wave. Change color. That's one wave. Change color. It's gonna continue doing the following. Up and then continue going up. So wait till these ends and trade it if you want to trade it. Let them collect liquidities on both sides and be the one waiting for you to enter. WTI, as I explained, wait for direction on this end. What it did the following. It gave us 1, 2, 3. Then it did A, B, C. Now is it gonna do another A, B, C and drop? Or is it gonna do 5 wave, correct, and continue its way up? Let's find out. Let them collect the orders. What are the moves that we might get? That's an ABC. This can do the following and then drop. All the way down here. That means we got an ABC and we're heading down. Retest for the bottom. Or ABC. Come up here, correction, and continue going up. Just watch this area, put your lines, see how you trade. Breaks, retest, go for it. Breaks, retest, go for it. Goes up here, corrects, it's going up. BTC explained that. This one, I got the following. A, B, C. One more up and then down. This down can be an ABC or 5 waves all the way down. So anything you get around here, you can buy. They're gonna convince everyone that they're moving up, and they will move up. A lot of people are shortening, a lot. So they're gonna collect the liquidity that's up here. Same thing for AU. A lot of liquidity up here. And let them collect and be the one that's collecting with them. Let them clear everyone out before they shoot. Is there anything you want me to check out, guys? I finished my pairs. You're welcome, Michael. You're welcome, sir. Basically, everybody's main focus, man. Everybody. Most of retail traders, they're trading dollar. That's why you see a lot of. That's why it's moving in this area. We'll discuss that more in the weekly midweek sessions that we have. But these are the concepts that I will be following. Mark them down, put on your charts, put reminders. As explained, this is recorded. You can go over it again, and basically that's what it is. If you have anything you want me to check out, Andre, welcome back. And if not, trade safe.